there, chums. My name is Joseph Smith and I have been specially selected by the government because I am a master brickmaker, which means I know how to make the bricks, and you lot are here because you're going to learn how to make the bricks. Now, anyone here ever put their maulies in the dirt? That's what I thought. None of yous. Well, you need to listen up closely so you can learn the trade and get to work. Now, you might have walked around town, some of these buildings here, just like the barracks, and you'll see that bricks are essential to the building of them. And it might be tough on your maulies and your pins, but making bricks is essential to the colony. Now, every brick needs to be bang up to the mark. We don't want no leather lane bricks around Sydney, right? Hey, stop scratching your chats in your strummel, open your lamps and let's get to work. Right, come round here, watch closely. This is how you make a brick. Step 1, get the clay puggers, mixers that is, to bug some clay over to you. Now while you're famming it, mind not to get too much on your kicksies and your flesh bags, or you'll be wearing it all week until laundry day. Take your mould and line it up over your stock board. Make sure you ding some sand around the inside. That's to stop the clay from sticking, or you'll spoil it. Roll a dollop of clay in sand, that's what we call a clot. Then push it into the stock. You take your strike, this bit of wood here, and cuts off the extra clay across the top like so. When it's nice and tightly packed, you need to flip the mould like so, landing the brick the other way up without losing any of the precious materials. Now you need to get the brick out. If it don't come out by tapping it, you stick your forks in like this. Yeah, that'll do the trick. See this arch shape? That's called a frog. That shape is the chant of the brickmaker, which tells us it was him who made it. Putting a shape there also helps the mortar stick the bricks together. Be sure to mark it too with the government broad arrow. This brick is property of the governor and not to be sold. Finally, take your brick, put it on the drag, ready for drying, and then it will go in the clamp. That's the oven. Now, once you've done, say, 1,000, you can have a hank, but only if the overseer's not watching. Right, you two lads, time to get to work.